So I'm so excited about the upcoming event with Dr. Mark Hyman. Our board member was the one that brought the idea to me. She's personal friends with Dr. Hyman, and she says, Rob, we need to bring him to Park City, and we need to maybe join up with another nonprofit, or particularly maybe with the Temple and Jewish Family Services, because we've been wanting to do some kind of interfaith event for the community so that the Christian Center could work with the Temple and Jewish Family Services. So I talked to Ellen Silver about the idea. She loved it. They've had this lecture series for a long time. And sure enough, now we're going to be able to get Mark Hyman here. And what's fun about this event is we've got all these nonprofits coming together. So once Jewish Family Services and the Christian Center decided to jointly bring Dr. Mark Hyman here, then Nan Worrell, the director of the People's Health Clinic, decided, well, we want to get involved with this too. So we're like, of course, we love working with the People's Health Clinic. And then Intermountain Healthcare wanted to get involved. So we've got all these great sponsors coming together for an event for the health of this city. And so now Mark Hyman specifically, I'm still learning a lot about this guy, but what I've learned is he's kind of an up-and-coming Dr. Oz. His specialty is functional medicine, so he really tries to look at human systems, not just symptoms. And so he goes a little bit deeper under the surface. And so I think he'll be a fascinating speaker. In fact, you can Google him. He's got a lot of different talks online. He's also been at the TED conference several times, and I've listened to a couple of his videos, and they're fascinating about the different things that we eat and how it impacts our health, and maybe it causes problems that we never really realized were underlying these other issues that we're trying to deal with when it comes to our health. Now, why is it so important for us at the Christian Center to have someone like Dr. Hyman? Number one, I think it's just good for everybody in our public, in the community here at Park City, to listen to what he has to say, because he has really good insights. But in addition to that, for our food pantry, really starting last year, we really have upped our intentionality to make our food pantry much more healthy. We have de-emphasized breads and sweets and carbs, high carb content, and we're re-emphasizing fruits and vegetables and healthier food, gluten-free food, whole wheat, things like that, because we feel like we don't want to just give food to people. Of course we want to feed people who are hungry, but more and more we want to be intentional about giving good food to people, because we care about their health. And unfortunately, studies have shown that both with our work with the Native American population, as well as just America in general, our diet in general has not been great. Obesity is on the rise. Diabetes is on the rise. And so we thought, as a food pantry, we should try to address that by providing healthier food. So for all those reasons, we're really excited. Please come out March 6th, 7 o'clock at the Temple. See Dr. Hyman. Tickets are free, but we encourage you to come 30 minutes early. I think it's going to be a packed house. Should be a great event. We'll see you there.